Hi friends, the exotic rice probably you may never heard of it. That is bamboo rice, one of the precious plant resources of the earth. Because bamboo rice is high in protein content than both rice and wheat. It's beneficial in joint pain, back pain and rheumatic pain as well. So today we'll look into the spectacular benefits of bamboo rice. Watch till the end so that you will not miss any important information. You can also follow me on my social media account. Bamboo seeds resembles wheat in appearance, but in contrast the seed called as bamboo rice because on dehusking it looks very similar to size and shape of paddy rice. Bamboo belong to grass family. Bamboo rice is special rice that is grown out of dying bamboo shoot. When the bamboo breathes its last, it flowers into rare variety of rice seeds which are known as bamboo rice. Bamboos live for around 50 to 60 years and when they flower, it is understood that they are ready to die. Yes, bamboo plants flower only once in their lifetime and then after fruiting, they go into death. Because of this, it is not easily available to common people. But even then, you can find it from tribal community of Western Ghats in India. In Kerala and Odisha, tribal villagers collect and sell it in the market. Then, is it healthy or not? Of course it is. Bamboo rice, like any other rice, is rich in various nutrients including carbohydrates, fiber and protein. A study conducted on bamboo rice shows that it is rich in vitamins and minerals along with protein when compared to paddy rice. Let us see its health benefits. Bamboo rice is rich in fiber which makes it low glycemic index foods. Hence it is very useful in controlling blood glucose level in diabetic patients. So among diabetic patients, it's on high demand. There is no fat content in bamboo rice, so it is considered to be good for heart patients. It is very beneficial for pregnant women with vitamin deficiency and also known for curing issues related to constipation. As I told earlier, bamboo rice is rich in calcium and phosphorus, helps in bone health and pains related to joints, arthritis and backbone are controlled. Consuming this rice known to keep your blood pressure in normal range. Iron, calcium and phosphorus in bamboo rice keep the heart and brain in coordination. These spectacular health benefits makes us to eat bamboo rice at least once in life because it is not easily available as it takes many years for an aged plant to flower. If you get it, then you are lucky. You must have doubted that how does it taste? It has very sweet taste. It is cooked like any other variety of rice. The difference lies in its texture once cooked. It is chewy and moist and often used as a mashed rice. I feel that this bamboo plant is really incredible. It takes so long to produce nutritious seeds and soon after it dies. Are you not excited to taste it? I am. Everything is once in a lifetime. So when you get opportunity, just grab it. I hope this video is useful to you. If you find it informative, then share to your friends and family. For any suggestion, comment below. See you soon with more videos. Till then, take care.